Hey guys, what's up? It's Jason here, and today I'm playing Criteria again, episode 2, and we're gonna check out maps today. Platformer, reach the end of this map. Oh my gosh, what are these? What are these? Trampolines. That's a trampoline. Boom! Take that. And get in. Oh. Checkpoint. This here. Oh, that was spikes. Create Brave Defenders Dinosaur for a chance to win legendary boxes. Oh, how do we get out of here? Do I go here just to get the key? I think so. Then I need to go back. Then, what is in the sign? Dino World Contest has started. Okay. There you go. That's what it was for. Get that thing. Get more points. Oh, there's a portal. There's a portal. Get in there. Get in there. Get. No, that truck was in the way. Okay. This is gonna be hard. Who said it was gonna be easy? No one. I can't even get in here. Wasted. So wasted. To participate, blah blah blah. There. Checkpoint. Huh. 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 Yeah. I know I'm good at this. No one said I'm bad at this. Woo. I want that thing. That gemstone. I can't get it. I think that was something like the turret thing or something. I don't know. Why? Hey, now I can get the thing. Oh! No, I can't. There's a freaking dragon. Okay, I can't get that. I forgot about that thing again. But this is actually a safe spot. There. To collect all the... Get up here. Oh. What was that? The shaky stuff. Ah. Eh. Game over. Game over, dudes. Game over. Game over. Next one. This is hard. Creepy, dark. So dark. Spikes. Looking sharp. Healthy food will make you happier. What healthy food? I'm not using face cam because there's no proper place to put it. Okay. Oh. Okay, time to start. Tap to start. Oh. Huh. What? Okay. Next game. It was kind of hard. Can't do that. Next game, please. Stop loading, taking so long. Next. Please. Okay, I'm just gonna pause. Until. Looks like it's not gonna load, so might as well make this the end of this video. Been long enough, and yeah, well, 7 minutes only actually. Might not be too long, but yeah, just gonna end it right now. Be sure for you guys to like the video, comment it, and subscribe my channel to join, well, the expert team. So thank you guys all for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.